Hey, anybody who's watching this, this is Nathan's dad. We're going to dedicate a well, a water well. These people don't have clean water to drink, and this is a village, so I just want to give you a little taste of what it's like to do a well dedication in India. So we're walking through the village. Here are their homes. Look at all the people following us. The entire village is coming out for this. Celebration of life, because we're bringing them water. They don't have the drinking water. So my organization, Wells for Life, is bringing them the drinking water. So this is what they use for their drinking water. They got a hand pump here. So they'll pump it, water will come up out of the ground. We probably went down 300 feet. They'll fill up these buckets, then they'll take this bucket back to their house and they'll use it for their drinking or their cooking. So this is pretty cool for them. They're excited to be here and to be a part of this, and I'm excited to be able to do this for them. And it's not that much money to be able to bring water to a village this size. We do it for only $2,000. $2,000 for somebody your age might seem like a lot of money, but when you think of how much it costs to bring water to countries like Africa, this is very cheap. So I thought you guys might be interested, anybody watching this, just to see what happens here in India in the areas where they don't have clean drinking water.